Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice large French dresser that we're going to redo. So follow along as we start taking this thing apart. Alright, step one is going to be to remove all the hardware. As we're removing the hardware, my supervisor will be checking the subframe, looking the piece over, just seeing what we will need to sand, what needs to be fixed, if anything, and then getting it prepped for sanding. So let's start getting the hardware off. We'll even take the drawers or the doors out and off, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we've taken all the pieces out. We've got our drawers over here. We're going to start sanding the frame. We'll start doing the drawers, get it all vacuumed out, wiped down, and then we can start painting this piece. It's in pretty good condition. Got a couple spots we're going to work out, and then we'll just basically give everything a nice little sand over for the paint to adhere really nicely. So let's begin. Alright, we are ready to start painting, so we're going to go with our natural white here. We're going to do the backs of the drawers. We're going to let those dry while we're doing the drawer fronts. Once all that's done, we're going to come back and hit this again and let that dry really well. So we can flip it over while we're doing the frame. We can start doing the fronts. We can do a second coat on all this. But the key, I think, is getting the backs done first to speed up the process of the whole painting project. So let's begin with that. Alright, we've got it all painted. Now what we're going to do is seal it with some wax. So we'll start from the top, work our way down. We'll do the doors and the drawers, and then we can start putting some hardware on this. I'm going to use Valstar Finishing. Alright, here it is complete. We did an antique white on this. Let's take a look at the insides here. All nice white. Came out really nice. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, and try to leave some good comments. My supervisor's been riding me pretty hard lately. So we'll see you till the next project.